Hello Raider Nation. I'm standing on the Mandalay Bay parking deck. I'm on the top floor. So I'm on the other side of the freeway. It is a Friday night, September 7th, 2018. Just show you a night perspective of what's going on. See these concrete structures here going up pretty fast. You know, it's nighttime, so you're not getting the best. Probably getting a lot of fuzz. They're up there doing something still. Alright, that's just what it looks like at night. All the other cranes are shut down today. They've been pretty much working every day except Sunday, and some nights they're even working all night when I go to work at 3 in the morning. Okay, if you guys want to get updates, just subscribe to my channel, Duntov 1967. Talk to you later. Thanks for looking.